Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tim and I'm your today's host, and I want to explain you in this video how you can connect your WordPress website with Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So if you have a WordPress website and it makes a lot of sense to connect your WordPress website with the Google services, because I think everyone would like to see their website or in the search results. When somebody is searching for stuff, then in the best case your website will pop up and somebody clicks on your website and goes to your website, and we want to connect our website to Google Search Console and Google Analytics, because we can track all events, and we can track our keywords, and we can track the behavior of the potential visitors, and also where our website ranks in the search result and what we can improve and stuff like this. So in this video I want to show you real quick how you can easily connect your WordPress website with the Google services. And this is really simple. We just download a plugin from the WordPress library and install it on our WordPress website, and then we simply have to connect our website or the plugin with Google, and that's literally it. The plugin, which I will show you in a few seconds, is made by Google itself. So it gets regular updates, and it 100% works with every WordPress installation. So let's dive into this. So here we are on a demo website from me. This is a demo online shop. And to install it, we just go here on the left side to our plugins, click on plugins. Then we can see which plugins we already have installed on our site. Simply go to add new plugin, or on the top here, add new plugin, click on it, or add new, not add new plugin. And then you can go to the search and simply type in Google. And now we can see here Google Sitekit, or Sitekit by Google. This is the plugin we are looking for, and I already have installed the plugin. Otherwise, if you don't have the plugin already installed, you see such an install now button. Then click on it and the plugin will get installed. And if the plugin is installed, then simply you can click here on activate, or you can go to the installed plugin page here and scroll down until you see the deactivated Sitekit by Google. You can enable or disable the auto update. So let's enable it. Now the plugin will be automatically updated if there's a new update for this plugin. And this plugin is, you can see, is made by Google. So no problem with this plugin. Then simply click on activate. And it takes a little bit, and when the plugin is updated, then you get a welcome message from Sitekit. Congratulations, the Sitekit plugin is now activated. And also on the top left side here, you can see there's a new entry, Sitekit. But we can now click on Start Setup. So now we will set up the plugin with Google Analytics and Search Console. It's really straightforward. I think you have to accept all their agreements. I think you have to click 4 times or 5 times on OK. Important is that you check this box here, because then it will connect with Analytics. And you can also check this box. This will send some data to Google. Okay, and then sign in with Google. And now the plugin want the authorization from you. This is my Google account. I click on it and yes, continue. And now we get forwarded to another page. Simply click on verify. It takes a little bit, but just a moment. Okay, now we are on step 2. Turn the metrics on in your dashboard. Allow, yes. We want to allow that. Now we are step 3. Set up Search Console. Yes, please set up. Click on Set Up here. Okay, now we want to connect with Google Analytics. Then we just click on Next. And now we will be forwarded to a Google page, I think, where we have to accept the terms and conditions. No, not yet. Now we are back on our WordPress dashboard, or in the Sidekit plugin dashboard. And if this plugin is installed and set up, then it can take a little bit, 1 or 2 days until the plugin and Google Analytics or Search Console have enough data to display on your site. So yeah, don't get confused if you don't see any data immediately. Give it a little bit time to synchronize and stuff like this. Yeah. Okay, now you can make a new account. Right now I have a few accounts, but right on the bottom I set up a new account. Yes, this is the website title, the website URL. Yes, I'm in Germany right now, and then click create account. Simply go to new account, make a new account, and the plugin fills everything out for you. And then next, yeah, to your account, click on continue. And now we will get forwarded to a Google page where we have to accept some things here. It takes a little bit to load, but in a few seconds, there we go. These are the terms of services. Click here on I accept. And then you can go here on Google Product and Services. I would recommend this to check the box. Now you get a new agreement here, also accept it. And yeah, that's it. And now you have to click here on accept. And that's it. And now you can go to my dashboard and yeah, if your site is really new, then it will take a few days to a few weeks till Google has enough data to show you on the dashboard here if your site is a little bit older and there are already visitors or Google have some data, then they will show it immediately. But you can see right now here I don't, this website, this specific website doesn't have enough data to show, so it tells me gathering data. And this means, yeah, I have to wait a few days or maybe a few weeks until Google has collected enough data to show me here. So if the data are here, you can see the clicks, how many clicks there are, and where the clicks are coming from. This site here, it tells you if this organic visitors, if this from the visitors are from your Google campaigns, or if this are referral links or stuff like this. And yeah, and the search traffic for a month. Here you get a really nice display of your monthly traffic and acquisition, and this is the Search Console part. There you can see the impressions for which keyword your website gets impressions, or which pages are displayed on the search results. And you can also see here the clicks, how many clicks you get for the keywords, and so on and so forth. And here this is the Google Insights. You can see the speed of your website. So right now my website is a little bit slow. On mobile here, it's 4.4 seconds to load the complete website. That's a little bit slow. You can check your website speed for desktop. For desktop, it's a little bit faster. It's 1.6 seconds. I think it's good, but yeah, Google thinks it needs improvement. It's okay for me. But yeah, and another cool thing, if you have a blog or a popular website, I don't know, podcast website or whatever, you can implement AdSense here just with one button. If you want to show Google Ads on your website, then you can simply click on Connect Now, and then you will see another display pop up that where you can set up the ads, how many ads, where the ads are placed, and stuff like this. And then you can start earning money with your blog or your website. Yeah, you can do this here, or you can leave it, or you can say maybe later. Then this is gone for now. And yeah, I don't know what this is. This is okay, that we completed the installation of analytics. Okay, got it. Search Console is also installed. Perfect, great. Yeah, and that's it. And if you want to change some settings here, you can click on settings. There's nothing too special in this. So you can see when I click on settings, it tells me that Search Console is connected, Analytics is connected, Page Speed is connected, more services, AdSense, Optimize, or even Tag Manager. You can control the Tag Manager here, yeah, and okay, there's nothing. And another cool thing is when you go back to your dashboard, to your WordPress dashboard, you get a new widget here, a Sitekit widget. You can bring it up, or maybe on this side, and there you can see the whole statistics for the day here on top, and down here for the past month or for the whole month. You can see the analytics data here, and yeah, you don't have to go to the plugin page. You can see it right from your desktop. Oh, and one thing I want to show you as well. Let's go back to Sitekit. If you want to visit your Google Analytics or your Search Console, you can do it right here. You don't have to type in the browser Google Analytics. You can simply go here, and you can see source Search Console. If you click here, then you will automatically get redirected to the specific account, or to your account on Search Console. You can see all Search Console data, what you cannot see here, and even here's a direct link to your Analytics account. Then you can see even more details, like real-time user or user behavior and stuff like that. So this is really cool, and yeah, check it out. I will also put a link for this, or the name or the link for this plugin in the video description if you want to read a little bit more about the plugin, or yeah, you want to download the plugin and install it this way. I will definitely put it in the video description. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions about this plugin or any other stuff related to WordPress or plugins, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure to give me a like and also subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.